So this video on how to install Ikea hinge 153 degree. First we open this up. So just to share, initially I'm using this rapid steel epoxy from VTech brand steel feel, but then I figure out that this epoxy feels like plastic. Later feels like plastic and not very hard enough, so I decided to buy this one, Devcon Plastic Steel Epoxy, based on the review from the YouTube also, where we have one guy attaching two steel by using this resin and put on weight on the steel to test the strength. Also you can see from here PSI strength 2,500 pounds per square inch. So this guy is the one that I'm doing, it's the one that I'm using to repair my cabinet, and it's very strong, so I recommend this one. So we have a broken Ikea hinge here. It's broken, so we try to fill in that with this one, and also using Devcon Plastic Steel Epoxy. So we have hardener and also the resin. We're gonna mix that, and then we put this one inside the hole, and we'll leave it for 24 hours. So we have finished. Put the resin at the two holes, so we're gonna wait overnight until we're gonna screw them. So the resin already hardened there. Inside there's a toothpick put in the hole, and now we're gonna drill this to put this guy to be like this. Okay, just drill this one. So this resin definitely strong, doesn't move like a solid plastic or solid wood. Now we try to install the door. Okay, we have installed the door. There's you can even see the resin from inside here, and it's nicely hidden there under there. So I think it is useful to use Devcon Plastic Steel resin, epoxy resin, to fix your broken hinge, at least for Ikea cabinet. Even though the wood's already dislocated or broken from the parents' cabinet, but then we managed to get these things back, alhamdulillah. Now let's try to close this one. Yep, this looks good. Bye bye.